Hi, welcome to Fat Papa Cooking. Today I will show you the tomato and potato vegetarian soup. Good and easy. Let us begin. Today, first we need to clean and wash the cashew. The reason is the cashew they have some oil on the skin, so you need to wash it first and then put in the water like for 15 to 20 minutes before you use it. And then the water, we won't use the water, so but we need to put it inside the water and make it soften. And then the carrot, I will cut it unbalanced. The reason is that they have more surface. It will be more easy to have all the taste to come out, and then the texture will be better after you cook the soup. And after that, the tomato, I will cut it small pieces, so when it's done cooking, it will melt in your mouth when you eat it. It's better, but if you like large pieces, have some texture, it's fine. The size is really doesn't matter. And after that, we need to choose some really red color tomato. The reason is that the more red color it is, it will be more sweet. And if you choose something is not that red color, or even orange or yellow color, the tomato will be more sour, and then it's not really what we want for this soup. Because this soup is we don't really add too many other ingredients, so we won't. And then for the center part of the tomato, we won't use it. I will cut it out. If you cook soup, you put that part inside, the central part, it will be more sour, and then the soup will not be good. Since this is a vegetarian soup, so the whole thing to make the soup good for tomato and potato, you need to fry it for 5-6 minutes. A lot of people make the soup putting the tomato and then the potato. They said it's so sour or not good. The reason is that they didn't do this step. You need to put some cooking oil in and then fry it for 5-6 minutes. Let the texture, the taste all coming out, especially the tomato. If you don't do that, you just put it in, the tomato only give you sour taste, it won't give you better. And then as soon as you cook it, have the juicy coming out, at that time you can start to add the water, or you change the large pot to cook the soup. I won't use the pot to do this step directly. The reason is that when you're moving, you're using chopstick or any other tools to it may damage your pot, so I won't do that. After you put it in, the secret ingredient is the cashew. The cashew is the one who will make the soup have the meat taste. But for sure, the whole thing you see no meat at all is a vegetarian soup. But the cashew in the vegetarian soup, it will give you that taste. That's why we add 1 cup. Don't add too much. If you really want the meat taste a little bit stronger, you can 1.5 cup, but don't be too much. Nothing will be good and healthy when you put too much. And then you need to put 3/4 slice of the ginger inside, and then to make the whole soup taste better. After that, you the fire high, and then until it boil. It will be about 15 minutes, and then you change to middle fire for another 45 minutes. When you doing it, if you see all of those bubble like this, you need to remove those. Those is something not clean. What we say in Chinese is not clean stuff. So we will remove those to make the soup more clear and healthy. Before you put it in the middle fire for 45 minutes, the cover, you put a gap between, so it won't like vaporize too many water. And then when it's done 45 minutes, you add some salt in, and that's it, and you will have like one really good vegetarian soup. So if you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. I will see you next time. Bye bye.